Hi, this is a recording from GMATquestions.org. We have yet another question involving a decimal. We have roots again here, but we know how to deal with it. From question 2, we know how to deal with decimals raised to a power root. Okay? Let's go to work. Again, I remind you that the root of x is the same as x to the power 1/2. You should know also that the fourth root of x is x to the power 1/4. Okay? Again, we'll deal with roots later, but that's good to know this. It will help you a little bit. We have here root to the power 4. What we're going to do, we're going to deal with what is inside the outside square root. So we're going to deal with the inside square root, which is the fourth root of 0 point. You can count that there are 8 of these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 1. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1. Okay. Now we know that this is going to be 0 point, and we count the number of digits after the decimal point. We have 8 of those. And when you divide 8 by 4, you get 2. So we expect 2 digits after the decimal point. So obviously you're going to have the 1, and we have a 0. 2 digits after the decimal point. Okay? If you don't understand this, please watch question number 2. Now what we need to do is take the square root of 0.01. Okay? I think this is a little bit too long. Okay. Okay. So we also know how to deal with this. We have a square root. It's like dividing, having a 2 here. It's a power root of 2. As I explained in the last video, question number 2, we don't write the 2, but there is really a 2 here. We have 2 digits after the decimal point. When we divide that by 2, we get 1. We get 1. So we expect 1 digit after the decimal point. And that digit has to be obviously 1. We cannot have a 0 here. We have 1 here. The 1 has to be there, you know, and there is no room for a 0 after the decimal point. So as you can see, it was a relatively easy question once you understand the technique of raising a decimal to a power or to a power root if you want. Okay? So the correct answer, as you can see, is E. So let's write that down. E is the correct answer. We really can play now with this. Now, I'm sure that you should be comfortable by now. You should be comfortable with dealing with decimals, at least when we raise them to a certain power. I'm going to give you some other questions related to decimals so you really can master this, okay, on the GMAT. So this is a recording from GMATquestions.org, and see you in the next video.